The Walkie Talkie app is just one way Microsoft Teams transforms what it means to work together, bringing people and information into one shared, secure workspace. And now, the Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro makes accessing Walkie Talkie even easier. The hotkey button can be programmed to activate Walkie Talkie, instantly connecting workers to anyone in their channel, from across the room to around the world. With the confidence of Samsung Knox and Microsoft enterprise-grade cloud security, you can talk securely and with no cross-chatter, even in low bandwidth. All on a device with military-grade design that's resistant to water, dust, and debris. The XCover Pro is up to any task with a removable battery that offers long-lasting power. It's a whole new way for employees to communicate and collaborate at their fingertips.